Welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a core vocabulary and action video. And the core vocabulary word that we will be targeting today is give. Give, as you see, is a green word, so it's going to be an action word or a verb. And give means whenever you hand something over to someone else and you don't expect anything else in return. So now let's find our word give on some different AC systems that you might be using. On Word Power 60 Basic on the TouchChat app from Sotillo, give.
Give.
On LAMP Words for Life, the 84 full version of the vocabulary from PRC, give.
Give.
On Snapcore First, the app from Tobii Dynavox, on the 63 grid, give.
Give.
All right, now let's use our word give for some different functions of communication. I could ask a question and say, can you give me a hug, please? I could use my word to direct an action or give a command and say, give me water, please. I could use my word give to express feelings. When I give to others, it makes me feel good. I could use my word to make a statement and say, we give thanks at Thanksgiving time for our blessings. I could make a comment and say, I like to give high fives. I could use my word to protest and say, hey, give that back. I could use my word to relay a future event. I will give cards and candy to my friends on Valentine's Day. All right. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to check out other videos where we take a core vocabulary word and we target it in different ways for different functions of communication, please check out the playlist over here. If you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and be sure to turn on the bell down below so that you get alerts when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye.